She's my friend, everybody. She's my friend. I'm gonna add her back to my live. Hold a second. Let me add her back.
Can I tell you
I'm sorry about that. The internet got cut out.
Some of the boys from Jamaica have been hitting me up.
Really? What they say?
Starboy, he might pop on. Starboy Teflon Don is my boyfriend. He's my boyfriend. He's from Montego Bay.
But you're not fan of me, girl. You fan big dick. Any man from my
I don't know if it's big. I don't know if it's big.
I'm telling you, girl. It's run through my best family. Anybody from Montego Bay, they got it. Got it.
Oh,
this hard.
Okay. So I should give him more attention. But the thing is, he said he's gonna come up here to visit me, but I gotta pay all this money.
Girl, he must scam out your blood. Girl, do not. They're gonna come up there and they want citizenship and they're gonna left your ass over there. Do not take up no Jamaican man. All you need to do is FaceTime. If you want to see him, you go down to Jamaica. He's gonna act like he love you, let you marry him, get his papers together. Bop! He gone left you when you reach over there. Believe.
But I think he really loved. I think he really loved me though. He right there. See, Starboy Teflon Don. I think he really loved me. He even posted me on his page.
Let me see him. When there?
Starboy underscore Teflon underscore Don.
Girl.
He said don't listen to you.
Eat no fried.
He said don't listen to you because you're jealous and he loves me. Huh? I can't hear you. Stefan, I'm coming for you, baby. You know, when you get here, I'm going to suck that dick. I'm going to suck your dick.
Lord Jesus. Tonight, nice. Man, no, man. No, man. Come here, Miss MS. Let's join the live. Where's she at? This festive bad. Stop discouraging girl. Go suck your mama. Come on for this. You not hear me? But Jesus, mama tag her. Hold on. I'm look fair. MSB Classic. It's MSB Classic. I'm not finding her. You not hear me? Oh yeah. So I can't. I not see her, but I need to hear the story while go on. I wonder if the boy go take her and make she gone now. At them I come, some people come talk about. Yeah, this man, you know, she a cheater. Yeah. Then I mean, but she told me she not in love with you. She told me that she's now in love with the Jamaican guy. She block you, she not block me and my friend that. Okay, let me add you. I'm talking all my snacks. Mama add our boyfriend. I'm gonna add her. Hey bro, what's going on? I thought you and Miss LB Classic were together. So how now she's telling me her boyfriend's in Jamaica? I don't understand what's really going on. So she has you, she has the boy in Jamaica.
She ain't got me no more.
But you told me the other time you guys were talking, so how now she know?
Cause she a liar. That's what happened. She's a liar.
But I told you that she has her boyfriend, and you keep on telling me, no, you're the only one. Now you see? You see?
It's cool. Because all the snacks that I bought, I'm going back to get. Everything. I'm getting all that. I'm going to need all that back.
The snacks?
Like that.
What snacks? Her favorite snacks to eat?
Yup.
Like the Bigfoot or the Doritos?
The what? The what? The Doritos? The Doritos?
You said you're
The little...
going back for the snack.
Yeah. The Doritos, the little Debbie's, all that.
Huh? If you know she be lying to you.
She a manipulator. She a liar. That's what happened. She lied to me. She made me feel like it was something that it wasn't. That's what happened. She a liar. First of all. So I took her to Sam's Club and I iced her out. You feel me? Spent all my little Sam's Club points on her. Little Debbie cakes, Doritos.
Nice together. It's too much of my art. No, sir. Hi. Father God, if you're not busy, look here. It's too much for me, yeah. Miss M must go up on live. I could have sworn Miss MSB Classic show me her pad a while ago on live. Okay. Hey, what you saying now? You really
I was
gonna
saying, yeah, no, because like she was, first off, she was lying to me, like saying that I was the only dude, you feel me, only nigga. She kept saying that I had the biggest dick, all of this shit, you feel me? So I'm feeling it. She had me feeling good. So I took her to Sam's Club and I iced out all my Sam's Club points on Lil Debbie's, big bags of Doritos, you know, big cases of Pops, all her favorite shit, you feel me? All the little shit she liked. But now I'm just not finding out that she really played me though.
Told you, man. I told you. I said to you, Miss MSB, she just doesn't know what to do. You guys confusing her. She don't know who she really love. Maybe you should just give her some time to think. See her in the comments there. Tell her how you feel.
I'm off the market. That's how I feel. All the snacks, everything I bought, my dick ain't the biggest. I don't give a fuck. We ain't cool. I ain't even fucking with you. Because you lied to me. Well, you could have kept it 100 with me and I clapped them cheeks and made that shit wiggle. But you wouldn't lie. You feel me?
He can have all those snacks back.
Wi-Fi is fucking itself. Ah. Why tonight? This is doing me so bad. Why every time the life just a freeze? I'm not hear nobody when I join them. Why tonight? Tonight is the best night, you know. I don't know what I want. I want to your phone. It is like after a while, it start freeze. And when it start freeze, the people, them, me not hear them after a while. And my other phone lock off. Me don't know what do it. Me say me I care about that phone. I go gay. That's sweet, man. I care about the phone. I got the bossy. You know, bossy we fix phone up a pavilion. You know, so I buy, give me one of my page them for the phone. You see me? And I be a fuckery. Be a fuckery I go on the phone. Me not hear good. The phone easy for dead. The phone easy for charge. I be a fuckery. The phone a jump. Me can't put on the phone on one straight. On the bright light, the seat a jump like the screen mash up. And when I take back my page now, yeah, I got yes, I teach, but I got log him out of my page. Where is Miss SB Classic and the other one? No, for true, I got text him and I say, brother, yes, when me come back to Jamaica, you gotta take back your phone and I make sure I screenshot all of the message them. If you don't want give me my phone, me not even want to take back the page over. You can go send me thief back the page, you know. So yes, when time me come to Jamaica and if you don't want to give me my phone, I'ma do go around a police station, call police up there and get my phone. And get back my page and him get back him phone. That's it. Cause you know say your phone fuck up and you send my phone. What one?
Yeah, so what she say? You talk to her?
No, I don't know. Every time the live is tripping out and I'm not hearing you, but I saw she made a comment. She said you could have them back if you want.
I'm cool. You know, I like all that buttery goodness, all the flaps, all that. I like it, but I'm cool.
So what she did make you love her so much? She sucked your dick good. She been teaching me about the live, yeah. She been teaching me a lot. Oh, don't stress yourself, darling. Don't do it. You don't gotta stress yourself. You know, I feel that way too. I had a boyfriend, right? Let me tell you something. I had a boyfriend, right? I loved him so much. But he has a girlfriend. I don't give a fuck if he had his girlfriend. All I know, I just want to know we still be fucking right. But let me tell you something. I went on the internet, act like I was the wife material, and now we break up, and all there is sadness, misery, loneliness, and stress. So take my foolish advice. Even though she has a man, you still keep her around and don't feel any way. Because it's best to know you guys having fun, say you guys having sex the same way. You break up, no more sex ever, no more sex.
But she doing it to all these men around the world. What if she catch Ebola? What if she catches disease? It's back silent.
I don't know what's happening to my life. My life is getting fucked up. This fucking rascal phone. I have to take it back myself.
All right, look though, like I was saying, what if she be doing this to all these different dudes? What if she catch Ebola? What if she try to do it to a Chinese man and she get the coronavirus? Look, I don't want that. I'm not trying to want that. I'm just saying. I don't use condoms, so it's like I'd rather not take that risk. They said them people out there in China, they be passing out and they just pass out and die. I don't want it. I'm cool.
But me and you know that she buys sex online. She told me she ordered men's 400 and up and bring them to her house. So what you expect? Just like how she bought you.
She ain't buy me though.
She didn't buy you?
I met her at the corner store. I met her at the corner store in the little Debbie section.